are going to run the EPG update. So in order to do this, we need to press menu and go to the third icon, which is simple free TV. Once we're inside here, we have an EPG download option. We can set this to a couple of different functions. So we can go once a day, we can go every hour, only in standby, or disable. Now, for the purpose of the video, we're going to do it once a day, and I'm going to set it to 1:56 because that's the time that I have now. Once I have it set, I can press back, and I just give it a second and it should update. Once the update is complete, we can press the menu button. You'll then be able to see that the guide has downloaded. You'll be able to go backwards and forwards through the guide, 7 days. You have shortcuts down the bottom to skip. Just a quick note that you do need the 2 tuners enabled to download the guide.